Plant FAQs, Fatsia spiderweb. Fatsia spiderweb, your guide to this stunning variegated delight. Hi, Ferbvu here. I'm a plant enthusiast with a passion for unique and beautiful foliage. Today, I want to delve into the world of the Fatsia spiderweb, a captivating member of the Araliaceae family. This plant isn't your average houseplant. Its stunning variegated leaves, resembling a spider's web, have captured the hearts of many indoor gardeners. But before you rush out and buy one, let's explore some frequently asked questions about the Fatsia spiderweb. What is a Fatsia spiderweb? The Fatsia spiderweb, Fatsia japonica spiderweb, is a cultivar of the popular Fatsia japonica, also known as the Japanese Fatsia or Castor Aralia. This specific variety boasts beautiful green leaves splashed with creamy white markings, creating a mesmerizing web-like effect. How does it differ from a regular Fatsia japonica? The key difference lies in the foliage. The regular Fatsia japonica features lush, deep green leaves. The spiderweb, on the other hand, boasts a vibrant green base adorned with creamy white variegation. This creates a striking contrast and adds a touch of elegance to any indoor space. Is the Fatsia spiderweb easy to care for? Absolutely. This low-maintenance plant thrives on neglect. Well, almost. Here's what you need to know. Light. The Fatsia spiderweb prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry. Don't let the plant sit in soggy soil, as this can lead to root rot. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix with good aeration. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Temperature. This plant thrives in average room temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or heat vents. Humidity. While not strictly necessary, moderate humidity levels can benefit your Fatsia spiderweb. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity. Does the Fatsia spiderweb need fertilizer? A light feeding during the spring and summer growing season is sufficient. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. How big does the Fatsia spiderweb get? Outdoors, the Fatsia japonica can reach heights of 10 to 15 feet, 3 to 4.5 meters. However, as a houseplant, the spiderweb typically grows to a more manageable 3 to 6 feet, 1 to 1.8 meters tall. Can I prune my Fatsia spiderweb? Absolutely. Pruning encourages bushier growth and helps maintain a desired shape. Prune during the spring or summer, making clean cuts just above a node, the bump where a leaf or stem joins the main branch. How do I propagate the Fatsia spiderweb? This plant can be propagated through stem cuttings. Take a 4 to 6 inch stem tip with a few leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional. Plant the cutting in a pot with well-draining soil and keep it moist. With proper care, roots should develop in a few weeks. Is the Fatsia spiderweb toxic? Unfortunately, yes. The leaves and berries of the Fatsia spiderweb are mildly toxic and can cause stomach upset if ingested. Keep this in mind if you have pets or small children. Common problems with the Fatsia spiderweb. Leaf yellowing. This can be caused by overwatering, underwatering, or lack of light. Adjust your watering schedule and ensure the plant receives sufficient indirect light. Leaf drop. Sudden leaf drop can be a sign of stress from environmental changes, underwatering, or pests. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites are occasional visitors. Regularly inspect your plant and treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Fatsia spiderweb versus Schefflera. Both the Fatsia spiderweb and the Schefflera, commonly called the umbrella plant, are popular houseplants with large, glossy leaves. However, there are some key differences. Leaves. The Fatsia spiderweb features variegated foliage with a web-like pattern. The Schefflera typically has solid green leaves, although variegated varieties exist. Growth habit. The Fatsia spiderweb has a more upright growth pattern, while the Schefflera tends to be bushier. Light requirements. The Fatsia spiderweb prefers bright, indirect light, while the Schefflera tolerates lower light conditions. Conclusion. The Fatsia spiderweb is a stunning addition to any indoor space. Its beautiful variegated foliage and low-maintenance nature make it a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. With proper care, this captivating plant will reward you with years of lush growth and visual intrigue.